Drying of food is the world's oldest known preservation method, and one of it is by drying your fishes. Stockfish or okproko by the Nigerians is what we are making today. Welcome to this channel where I share with you how to make simple Ghanaian intercontinental recipes. Make sure to subscribe for new videos every Monday and Thursday. Now with me here, I have a family of cod fishes here. Stockfish is being made from cod fish, but merlusa fish is also, in the family of cod fish. So feel free to use cod fish or even at all panla in making your stockfish. And as I said, we are going to be drying these fishes. So the first thing to do is to clean it very well. Now after cleaning it, I add in small amounts of salt. So now what is stockfish? Stockfish is unsalted fish, especially cod, dried by cold air and wind on wooden racks, according to wikipedia.com. So according to this definition, when you're making stockfish, you do not want to add in salt to it. Immediately you add salt to it, you are making clipfish. So what I'm making is clipfish, but if you want to make stockfish, please do not add salt to it. I hope you do understand me. When making stockfish, please don't add salt to it. So if you're new to this channel, welcome Yummy. My name is Yummy Cash, and on this channel we do food related videos. So if you're interested in learning and knowing more about Ghanaian intercontinental recipes, kindly hit the subscribe button and make sure to turn on the notification bell. So when I'm done with the rubbing of the salt, I tie the fishes at their tail very well, and then the next thing to do is to hang them. Now, according to the Wikipedia, stockfish is being hanged on wooden racks, but because I do not have wooden racks, this is where I hanged it. So basically you can hang it on anything provided it is hanging. Now I hanged these fishes for exactly 1 month, that is 30 days. But according to Google again, and where stockfish is being imported from, that is Nowinga, stockfish are being dried for 3 months. So if you have time, go ahead and dry your fishes for 3 months, and also don't forget that stockfish is being dried in cold atmosphere. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Always remember to do everything in love. Cheers.